This is a shallow stick. This is a tool that we originally designed for the kids we were working with in junior academies because it's very light. So it's something that they could handle, but we quickly discovered, as with many things along the way, that it was great for adults also. So the handle is all stiff, and you hold it here. The rope is long, it's 75 feet long. When you use this outdoors, the anchor point, the far end of this rope is anchored to a dumbbell. It can be a dumbbell, a kettlebell, a pole, a stake in the ground. It could even be a bench or a golf cart, something immovable. When you're outdoors, you're going to be standing about probably 35 to 40 feet from the anchor point with the rope at its full length. We're indoors, obviously, so we've shortened the rope. I'm only standing about 15 feet from the anchor point, and I would say that the rope has been shortened probably from 75 feet to about 45 feet. So normally a shallow stick is used outdoors, but if your room is big enough, you can certainly use it indoors. And what we're going to show you is 3 drills. One is going to be called trail arm path, one is going to be called 2-arm path, and one is going to be called flings, which is where you really send the rope flying out as far as possible. With a shallow stick, the back swings are only about halfway, about right there, to a 3/4 follow through. Even when you're outdoors, halfway back, 3/4 through. Okay, Michael Freeman's going to show us the 3 basic shallow stick drills. Again, if you were outdoors and this rope is 75 feet long, you would be standing 35 to 40 feet from the point where this far end is anchored. We're indoors, so we shortened the rope a little bit. First drill is called trail arm path. Michael's just holding the handle in his trail arm, and he's going to trace a path through so that he ends up basically pointing upward and out past his target. This is just a way for you to create a very quiet, very efficient path. So normally you would do anywhere from 10 to 20 repetitions of this trail arm path. Now we're going to switch him to 2-arm path. It's the same move. You're just holding the handle with both hands. It's a very quiet move. It's a very efficient move. You notice there's no wasted motion. Notice also that he's going halfway back, 3/4 through. That's also the range of motion that he will use when he does the full fling. So that is 2-arm path. All right, now we're going to take Michael into the full range of motion, which is called a fling. He's still only going to go halfway back and 3/4 through, but he's going to put his speed and energy now out in front, where that rope is flying out in front of him. As the rope flies out, you give it some time to billow out. You don't snatch it quickly back. You can even, we're going to have Michael make a couple of waggles here in between each fling to show you what you can do to have more control over the rope if you need it. If you're outside and the wind is blowing or it's breezy, make sure the breeze is helping you. You don't want to throw this straight into the wind because it's very light and the wind will just blow it back at you. We'll let him do 3 more. Excellent.